This is the Tokyo Science Museum. Very nondescript building, but yeah, it's a pretty neat little museum. A lot of interactive kids exhibits in here, so very cool. So if you're in downtown Tokyo and you're looking for the Science Museum, it is to the east of the Imperial Palace, otherwise known as Edo Palace. Off to the right-hand side, you'll see it on this map with the white arrow indicating to it. I walked to it, and it's probably about a quarter-mile walk from the closest subway. You can drive to it as well or catch a bus, I guess. The parking is great. There's lots of ample parking spaces there, and it was not crowded at all when I went. Okay, the entry into the Tokyo Science Museum. So you enter the building on the first floor, and there you'll find the gift shop as well as the ticket office. And then from there, you'll catch a series of escalators going upstairs, or there's an elevator as well, taking you up to the exhibits on each of the floors. And there's 4 floors with a host of exhibits on each floor. Discussions about natural energy, fossil fuel, where it comes from, nuclear energy. Of course, Japan is one of the largest countries in the world that still uses nuclear energy on a regular basis. Geological disposal. Electrical power generation. The current energy situation in Japan. Wow. And last but not least, global warming. Very cool that they're making kids aware of this at a very young age. So obviously this is geared towards children. So this thing is called the Electro Hall, linked to cyberspace. All the different communication devices throughout the years. Electrical power generation. Oh, this is, and this communication, there's fiber optic stuff here. Telling me I'm 68. No way. Look that bad, huh? Denki factory, huh? So showing electrical fields and generation of electricity. And to generate electricity with a bicycle, huh? There you go. Again, more interactive for the kids. That's great. Medical laboratory. Japanese medical pioneers. It's the Japan Coal Frontier Organization. Talking about the extraction of coal and its uses in energy production. All for kids. Amazing.
So at this point, you can see that the museum really is a public and private partnership with many of the Japanese industries promoting these exhibits in an effort to inform the public, starting with kids, as to the uses of the natural resources found in Japan, and of course to promote the industries themselves and utilizing the natural resources properly by being environmentally conscientious.
We've got a little lab here for the kids. Little interactive exhibit here. Kinsetsu World. All about construction. Construction of buildings, building skyscrapers, window protection. Very impressive. Recycling station here. Okay, circle view, huh? All right.
Three, two, one.
Okay, you can touch the pane down here to control the image. Optical illusion space here. Alright, like in the Twilight Zone. lasers. This one's great. Really showing how a CD would work in terms of the optical pickup here, the laser picking it up into this receiver here and then translating that into impulses, ultimately wind up giving you a sound pulse. Very cool.
So this to me was the most interesting exhibit of all of them. It was up on the 4th floor, and it basically was for kids to show them how they could move a 100-pound marble around a metal track, so this big silver marble, if you will, rolling around the track, and how they could get mechanical advantage over this metal ball by moving levers and wheels, but that someone their size could move something this huge and massive around the room. Really neat, and noticed all the kids were having fun with this too.
These are great. Got it? What you're hearing in the background are metal balls being rolled around. Some of these devices you interact with. Move pulleys and conveyors. This little boy running around. There you go. Oops. You got it. That's it. There it goes. The ball itself, the metal ball, has to weigh 100 pounds. Demonstrations showing the light prismatic effect.
Well, folks, that's it for today. Hopefully you all enjoyed this. It was definitely an interesting museum to go to, and if you got kids, or if you're just a curious adult, it's definitely worth the price of admission. It was about $7 to get in. I think kids were half that price. So yeah, it was worth spending an afternoon there, and hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.